Yesterday, guys, we were selling this. We hit both of our targets. I mentioned that we would wait for a pullback. The price gave us a pullback after testing the breakout area. The price went on to hit both of our targets. So, guys, the question remains: what are we going to do today? So, guys, we've had a retracement. We are turning this support area into resistance now. So, for today, guys, I'll say as long as the price stays below 1.35779, guys, we are bearish. And my only target would be yesterday's low, which is located at 1.35019. Now, I will check and see if we have a target in between, because due to lack of momentum, oh guys, I don't guess we have a target in between. Okay, guys, and if you break above this, guys, at the minimum, we will be hitting 1.36155. Then, guys, we will be going for 1.36588. Wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.